Hello and welcome back to Alyena's Kitchen, where today we are going to be making a key lime pie. It's actually my dad's birthday today, so this is going to be his birthday treat, and it's his favorite pie and it's super delicious and easy to make. So let's get started. Alright, to start with, I'm going to be making the homemade pie crust, and it is a graham cracker crust. So here I have about 11 or 12 graham crackers that are kind of falling apart, but I'm going to put them all in a food processor and grind them up. If you don't have a food processor or don't want to have to wash one, you can just use a rolling pin in a big bag and just roll everything out until it's nice and ground up. Alright, so once you finish grinding up your graham crackers, you're going to add them to a nice big mixing bowl. So once you've added everything together, here I have 2 tablespoons of just white sugar and then 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, which I'm going to add in. And I recommend just using a fork to mix everything together, because you want it to have like a nice texture, I would say. Once everything's nicely mixed together, I have 8 tablespoons or half a cup of butter, which I'm going to add, and you're going to want your butter to be nice and melted. And then you're going to just take your fork and stir it until everything comes together. Alright, so once you've finished your graham cracker crust, we can start on the filling. Right now it's actually not key lime season, so I'm just using limes and it works pretty much just the same. Right now I've used about 7 or 8 limes and I want to have about a cup of lime juice. So once you've pressed all your juice, you can start actually putting everything together. So here I have 4 eggs, which I'm going to start with and just whisk them together. So once you've whisked all the eggs together, we can start adding a cup of the lime juice. The last part is the whipping cream. So if you don't have time, you can just easily pick up a can at the store, but I personally love having everything homemade, and it also is really tasty in coffee and all sorts of things. So right now I'm actually doubling the recipe, so you're going to want to start off with 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And a trick I learned was put your bowl and your whisk in the freezer for about 5 minutes before you actually start putting everything together. It makes the process a lot quicker. Once you have the whipping cream in the bowl, just beat it for a minute or 2 and then you can add your sugar and vanilla extract. Happy birthday, Dad, and as it is your birthday, you get the first bite of the pie.
I'll take it, thank you very much. Little whipped cream. Amazing. Thank you very much.